In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to loop a video in CapCut. Let's dive in. First, open the CapCut app and start a new project. Select the video you want to loop and tap the Add button at the bottom right to import it. Once the video is added to your timeline, tap to select it, then swipe through the options at the bottom until you find Duplicate. Tap on it to create a copy of your video. With the duplicated video selected, swipe through the options again and choose Reverse. The app will take a few seconds to process this step. Once the reversed clip is ready, go back to the first video, tap Duplicate again, and move this new clip to the very end of the timeline. Your project should now have the original video first, the reversed video in the middle, and the duplicated clip at the end. Tap the play button to preview your loop and check if it flows smoothly. When you're happy with the result, save and export the video to share with others. That's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.